Assalamu alaikum. Today we are preparing crispy bread squares. These are the ingredients required. It just takes 5 minutes. We need 4 slices of white bread, 1 whole egg, a tablespoon of milk, a cup of breadcrumbs, half a teaspoon green chili paste, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper powder, 1/4 teaspoon oregano, salt as required, and coriander leaves. Blend everything except bread and breadcrumbs into a smooth paste. Meanwhile, trim the edges of the bread and cut it into quarters. Dip it in the egg mixture and then coat well with the breadcrumbs. Keep it aside until you fry it. Now deep fry it in the hot oil until golden brown in color. It doesn't take more than 20 to 30 seconds on each side. Let the excess oil drain off in a kitchen tissue. And now our crispy bread squares are ready to be served. Do try out the recipe and let us know how you liked it. Thank you for watching.